Hello and welcome to the GitLabGo bite-sized tutorials for all things GitLab. In this video, we'll be having a look at the issue boards and in particular, the assignee lists feature, which is used to group issues by who they are currently assigned to. Issue boards are a great way to visualize and group issues within a project. These groups are known as lists, and there are 4 ways these lists can be defined. These are labels, milestone, iteration, and assignee, which we'll be reviewing in this video. So to look at our assignee lists, we'll head over to our issue boards by hovering over issues and selecting boards. Let's go ahead and create ourselves a new board that we'll use as our assignee board. This is done by selecting the dropdown, clicking create new board and giving it a name. Let's go with assignees. Now we have our board, we'll need to add our lists. This is done by hitting the Create List button at the top right of the screen. The scope is going to be assignee, and then the value will be the user against which you want this list to be held. So let's give the first one to myself. And then we'll add one more, again with the assignee scope, and we'll choose Paul Christie. As you can see, I already have a test issue assigned to myself, but if I wanted to move that across to Paul Christie, there are 2 ways that I could do this. I could either open up the issue and edit the assignee value, or as we're on our boards, really simply, I can just drag and drop the issue into Paul's list and GitLab will automatically reassign this issue to Paul. It is worth noting here that you can have assignee lists on the same board as other types of list. So for example, if we travel over to our status board, which uses scoped labels as the scope for the list, and we'll again create an assignee list using Paul. You can see that this test issue, as well as being in the in progress scoped labels list, is also in Paul's assignee list. And that's it for assignee lists for now. For more information, head over to the GitLab Docs website or ask an expert here at GitLabGo.